I never made it.
This is RG3254. Here I'm on screen. You can see this is an LG microwave and this is the kit which I've. It's not what I expected. Spatula and idli meal, 2 spoons and this thing I just unboxing this. It's a bit. I'm gonna put this pin in. Okay, I'm gonna.
Mission control. Do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control. Am I drifting? Tell me to someone who will love me. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I have unboxed the whole video. I have put it in some other room in my kitchen. See, I have the kit. Okay, now it has micro mode, which is combination of micro and grid both. Indian Rasoi mode in it for 24 hours. Health Plus uses what that is. Denzel 30 plus 2 plus preset recipes in it. Guys, I found this is the tray which goes inside the microwave. It's pure plastic, and I've also pure glass. Sorry, this is the grill I have got. It looks quite sturdy. It looks good. The microwave oven manual, and this is some pamphlet and stuff. Quick reference guide for microwave. Okay, I'll talk to you later.
I'm not the only one who's alone.